Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to mirror a component in Fusion 316. First open your project and let's start by creating a new mirror plan. Go to construct and select meet plan. Select two phases, for example this one and this one. And you can see the mirror plan created. Just verify it and click OK. For example, now we want to mirror this component. Click on it, then go to Create and Mirror. The object is already selected. Go to Mirror Plan and select the plan we just created. Then click OK. And yeah, as you can see, we have successfully mirrored a component in Fusion 316. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.